Hello again. Today you will learn how to create transparent blur effect in Photoshop. First, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Let's start. Unlock your image and convert it to Smart Object, so that you can work on it non-destructively. Press Ctrl+J to copy. Go to Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur. Set radius to 90 pixels. Now select rectangular shape. Keep foreground color black. Hide first layer and make a rectangular shape in center. Press Ctrl+A, and align it in center. Press Ctrl+D to deselect. Select shape layer and press Ctrl+G to group. Now select blur layer, right-click and create clipping mask. Press Ctrl+T to adjust it on the image anywhere you like. While selecting the shape layer, you can also add more shapes. Next, I will add text to it. Open Type tool and write your text. Hold Ctrl and adjust. As you see, this layer is converted to Smart Object, so now you can apply this blur effect to any image with one click only. Just double click on this small icon. Here you can paste any image to apply that effect. Drag your image and adjust. Now press Ctrl+S to save. Go to your original file and you will see the results. Let's try it with another image. Very easy and simple. If you like this tutorial, give it a big thumbs up. Follow me for more amazing tutorials. Thank you for watching.